Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema. What better way to cool off the summer with some nice refreshing drinks? Here are two wonderful drinks that you can enjoy during the summer. One is the Kulukki Sharbath and the other one is Mohabbat ka Sharbat. Both of them are totally different. So now let's take a look at the recipes. The first step to making the Kulukki Sharbath is to soak the Sabja Seeds. I've taken about 2 teaspoons. Pour enough water and soak it for about 5 minutes. Cut a slice from the top and then cut the lemon into half. So we're going to use a green chilli for the drink. For this I'm just going to slit it in the center. Make sure you slit the green chilli to get the spice into the drink. After 5 minutes you can see the Sabja seeds have soaked beautifully. Now I'm going to start making the drink. So I'm going to assemble the drink. Add the slice of lemon. Just add a small pinch of salt. 2 teaspoons sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste. You can also use honey if you wish. So 1 lemon is enough for 1 glass of Kulukki Sharbath. Add the Sabja seeds. Add the slit green chilli. Add a few mint leaves. Add a few ice cubes. Pour some water. Don't pour it all the way up because now we're going to shake it. So I'm going to use another glass and lock this. For the Sharbat, first I'm going to make the rose milk. For this, take 2 cups of chilled milk. So this is a 250 ml cup. So I'm taking 500 ml of chilled milk. For this recipe, I'm using full cream milk, so you can see it's nice and thick. Now this is boiled and cooled milk, and then I have refrigerated. Make sure you chill it nicely before you make the drink. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So the reason I'm adding powdered sugar is it dissolves faster. So you can use sugar granules if you want. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Give it a quick mix. So now I'm going to chop the watermelon. Wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a lovely juicy watermelon. You can see the color, it's got a lovely rich color. Now I'm going to take 1 slice and chop it into really tiny pieces. So you can see I've cut it into really small pieces. So for the drink, this size would be ideal. Little tiny crunchy bits. So make sure you just remove the seeds if there are any. To the rose milk, add ice cubes. Next, add the chopped watermelon pieces. there you go, you've seen two entirely different drinks that you can enjoy this summer. So they're very quick and easy to make. So do try them and refresh yourself and stay cool.